The gates.
Oh, come me. I like it when you talk like this, though.
I'm doing my work. Father. Are you out of your senses?
Who is he? How are you involved in this case?
How dare you bite the finger that feeds you?
I never begged to be fed. Don't trick me with the guilt of corruption. I will not be finding it.
And you are talking to me! Shut up! You nonsense!
Fayose!
How dare you talk to me in such manner?
Are you not too harsh on him?
Will you shut up your mouth? I will not hear you say a word. Now listen to me. Go and work on your brother.
I'll talk to him. Martins!
Martins! And you were here!
No. Hey, ayé mi o. Yeah.
Yo, nigga, what's going on here? Bro, I am not in support of all this, bro. You cannot fight your father. You know who your father is? You can't fight your father because of those people.
Those people? Is that what you call her? Is that what you call someone in love with you? Those people!
It's not what I mean, but look, you and I know who your father is. Look, you cannot fight your father because you're definitely not gonna win. I know what I'm talking about.
I am a barrister. And I fear no government structure. Get that into your head.
I know about that. Look, you know how...
Excuse me.
Okay. What has come over you? Hey, man!
I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the right way. Cause nobody is above the law. What you do to
Father, I will never lift my hands to fight you, nor hit you. But I'll put cuffs on your hands and send you to jail.
What nonsense!
Martins!
Uncle, please, you need to calm down. All right? I'm still talking to him. I'm talking to him. He wouldn't listen to me. Please, calm down. Calm down, please. Martins! Martins!
For me. Tomorrow to repeat. Ooh, I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life.
I don't have time for this.
And what is all this bullshit?
Are you coming with me or not?
Don't do that to me. Don't do that. Don't put me in that position, bro.
I would ask you again. Are you coming with me or not?
You're too stubborn. You're too stubborn and I don't like it. I swear to God, I don't like it. Bro, I'm not going to do this with you. I promise, I'm not going to do it.
Are you coming with me or not?
Damn it.
So place your ways right. Do the needful. No matter your status, can you just do the right thing? Cause anything you sow today, you live tomorrow to repeat. Ooh, I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the right way. Cause nobody is above the law. What you do today will surely come tomorrow. Life is a journey. Life is a journey.
I have decided to take full responsibility of what happened. Bring him to Lagos. He can still get his pensions. That is the best I can do for him.
Wow. Okay. I would inform my client about it, and if he decides to come to Lagos with me, fine. If he doesn't, then I will know we are yet to have an understanding.
Metonye di menye, nwanne metonye di menye, nwanne metonye di mma, ị na-eme oyi meta nke dị mma.
Maka ọnụnụ.
Ọ bụrụ maka gịnị e?
Maka ọnụnụ.
Maka afọ ime nwanne m.
Maka ọnụnụ.
Onye achọ n'ibe ya okwu n'ụwa.
Maka ọnụnụ.
Okodi nwanne m. Maka ọnụnụ. Okodi miziki o. Okodi elube ekele.
You! No, I come in peace, sir. Please, just listen to me. My father, I don't know what he did to you. But seriously, he is ready to make amends. He will pay your gratuity and pension 100%. This document covers it all. It covers it. And please, sir, you need to come with me to Lagos, sir. Please, I'll facilitate everything.
Are you sure of this?
Yes, it covers it all. The document. Please, sir.
Sweetheart, we're really sorry. Of course, we're not part of all this bullshit, but we're sincerely sorry. And of course, I want you to give me a call when your father changes his mind.
I give you 3 minutes to leave this compound right now.
All right, sir.
3 minutes!
All right. Please, I need you to come to Lagos.
Let's go, brother.
3 minutes!
If you ask me, if he has changed and he's ready to make amends, let us give him a chance now. Let us give him a chance to make the amends that he wants. I don't understand. Because...
Yes, Dad. Seriously. After all that, your pension and your gratuity will be met. And we'll go back to the rich family that we used to be.
I doubt you know the enemy we are talking about.
You see, that man is not to be trusted. He is a very cunning man. He may have ulterior motive.
I don't know, because what I'm seeing here...
Oh, soldier.
Oh, soldier, sir.
Okay.
Oh, soldier, sir. Oh, soldier.
What is it, Ogini?
I saw some boys with guns. They kidnapped those your friends, so...
Eh? Which of them?
Those Yoruba men that had big jeep. Big jeep. One leg big jeep. Kidnapped, yes.
You can go. Dad, please. You have to do something. You won't allow those kidnappers kill them, would you? Please.
Darling, she's right. Please remember they came here to see us. If anything should happen to them, they will trace it back to us. It will fall on all of us. Pico, you have to do something.
Mora! Hey! Mora! Hey! Mora! Hey! Buckle up! Buckle up! Buckle up! Buckle up! Buckle up! Buckle up! Buckle up!
Now on your knees! I said, go down on your knees! Are you not young man?
Hey, young motherfucker, you ain't gonna talk to me like that, bro.
Now listen, one more word from you, we blow off your skull. Now, two official lessons. I'm going to collect the ransom of 18 million from each of you within the next 24 hours. Am I understood?
80 million? Where do you want us to get that kind of money?
Wait. Are you mad? Are you asking me where Now listen very well.
Hey, don't hold my brother,
shut up! I said shut up! Now listen very well, Mr. Engineer. That 18 million, I'm going to get it from you.
Please don't shoot.
You hear me? I said, do you hear me?
Yes.
Hey, nigga,
yes.
We ain't got no money, bro. We ain't got no money.
I said, shut up your mouth. Are you mad? Now, you see that 80 million naira? I'm going to get it from both of you. Are you not the engineer doing that big project in the village entrance?
Hey, motherfucker, we ain't got no money, bro.
If I hear one more from you, I will pull the trigger. Please. Talk.
You ain't gonna ask me not to talk. Back in the city, I don't take shit from no
I said 80 million naira from each of you within the next 24 hours. I'm on that. Yes. Good. Guys, put your eyes on them. I'll be right back.
It's your turn.
Hey, yo, this nigga is crazy. Hey, nigga, back in the city, I don't take shit from nobody. You feel me?
Hey, shut up! Hey, stop talking. Hey, fire, shush! One more word from you, I'll blow your head off! And you can afford the money. Or do you think we're joking here? You better make calls. And you have just 3 hours. Else! Yes.
Don't hurt my brother.
Don't shoot, please. I will break him to pieces.
Did you hear that?
Yes.
Yeah. Go and check that.
I'll be back right now. One more word from you, and I'll send you to hell. Stupid. Repeat yourself now! Repeat yourself!
I didn't say nothing, bro.
Bastard!
What's going on there? Make sure your eyes are on this too.
Go down! Please don't do that!
Buckle up! Frog jump! Buckle up and frog jump!
Yes!
Hey, perhaps you're a gangster, I swear to God. Hey, chill, old man. Chill.
When I was dismissed from the army, I was wondering how a bottle of wine could do the magic. I was drunk from months to years, living like that. Until one day, I said to myself that I want to live again. Only then it dawned on me that I was living on your father's chauvinism. Your father drugged me. I was denied of my position as a general in army. You know, I said it.
General Keke. He's for you.
Right.
Congratulations once more.
Thank you very much.
You know, today is a wonderful day. Yeah. Shall we just rise for a toast? Toast.
Long life and prosperity.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yes, long life.
You see, this is a toast for long life.
Yes.
Right. And good service in his new office.
Yes. General Fayose, I must say I'm happy. And you're one of those officers in the army that I respect so much.
You can say that again.
And I'm assuring you today that as long as this my new position is concerned, I'll always put you first.
A very good day.
Oh, bless you. Yes, so what more? I had already prepared a lot. I had something that we can, probably enjoy elsewhere. Or we. I don't know if you like it here or probably outside. I have a lot. I have the best kitchen. Yes.
You see, it is done. It is done. We are not here for child's play. So, we have all we wanted.
Sure.
The next thing is for him, This is good.
Yeah, the deed is done.
Yeah. So,
Moisa! What is going on here? Eh? Hey! Get out! Get out!
sorry, General Kim. You've lost it.
How dare you?
I didn't do it.
Alexander Ikem! How dare you? I know you didn't do it. But how could you allow yourself to be played after all these years of discipline and determination?
It was just a glass of wine.
A glass of wine? Those that gave you that glass of wine were your competitors. You didn't even allow the game to be over. You brought them close to yourself. Look at it. Just barely a few minutes, it's all over the news. Our children has been expelled from their school and they can no longer attend any level of government school. All because of one glass of wine. Alex, how could you? How dare you do this to us? How dare you do this to us?
Calm down.
How?
It's okay. In all these years of my drunkenness, my wife was my hope. She was my strength. She was everything to me. And now that you've heard this part of my story, what are you still waiting for?
I'm very sorry for whatever happened, sir. Please, we are ready to make amends for everything we've caused you, the pain and agony. Please, I love your family and I would love to be your friend, sir.
You didn't get my question, did you? I asked, what are you still doing here?
Hey, Bob, you got short temper.
Now get out of my compound!
You got short temper.
Right now!
I'm getting confused, sir.
Out!
Please stop thinking and leave.
Yo.
Out!
Leave! Go!
Let's
go! Please leave! Please. Just look. Look how your further desire to hurt this man is making you so restless. You used your son as a bet and you think he's going to forgive you.
I don't care who gets hurt, woman. I will not allow anybody to destroy my legacy. No, I won't. I will not allow it.
Fayose. Pride. All I see is pride. You are fighting a man who is trying to survive from the damage you caused him.
You can call it whatever you wishes. I will finish what I started years back. I will kill him to end all this nonsense.
Fayose, you have a cold heart, a wicked heart. But thank God, I have a son who is completely different from you. I just hope that your wickedness does not kill you one day. Wicked man. Evil man.
My husband,
Please, can I talk to you?
I don't want to say anything about Fayose's family. That I do not allow those kidnappers to kill those boys does not mean I have forgiven Fayose's family.
But sweetheart, Fayose is not here. And you know you cannot reach him wherever he is. Those boys were not responsible for what happened between you and Fayose. So please don't put it on them.
Fayose stole my life! He took the greatest part of me! His son and relative will not steal my daughters away! I am done with this talk.
I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the right way. Cause nobody is above the law. What you do today will surely come tomorrow. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. You get to be careful. You get to be careful. No matter your status, you get to be careful. Anything you do today, you got to reap tomorrow. Cause nothing is hidden under the right. So place your ways right. Do the needful. No matter your status, can you just do the right thing? Cause anything you sow today, you live tomorrow to repeat. Ooh, I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the right way. Cause nobody is above the law. What you do today will surely come tomorrow. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. You get to be careful. You get to be careful. No matter your status, you get to be careful. 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 No matter your status, you get to be careful.
Uncle, good afternoon. Where is he?
Where is who?
You did not come back with the man?
Father, did you expect that man to come with me? Do you think he's such a fool? After everything you have done to this man, and you expect him to come with me? Are you a joke?
What nonsense are you talking about, Martins? Oh, Martins, they have given you their favorite eyes to smoke, right?
Oh, Father, he told me everything. Everything, all the story that happened. Father, he told me how you drugged him. Father, you accused him wrongly. You did that man so dirty. Yes. Father, is that how you look down on Igbo people?
And you believe a stranger over your father?
Oh, I will believe a stranger. I believe him. I believe what he's capable of doing. And I know my father. I know what he's capable of doing. I don't trust you, Dad. I don't.
Martins, for the last time, why don't you come with that man so that I can make amends?
Make amendments, you say? Father, you and I know that there is no amendment anywhere. You are cooking up something. I really do not know, but I will not let you do that.
Enough of that, you stupid boy. Oh, you are pushing me to punish you. You are pushing me to punish you, Martins.
Punish me? Father, okay. You want to drug me the same way you did to that man. Accuse me wrongly? Do me dirty? No, I will not let that happen, Father. You don't know what is coming. But Father, you do not know what is coming. Because I will get you arrested. Enough of this nonsense.
Martins! What?
Dad, I understand how you feel about all these things. But you see, Fred and Martins, they are not the same with the person you described. Honestly, they are very different.
So what do you know about life? See those boys? They are going to be as wicked and as dangerous like Fayose.
Oh, Dad, please. Please. I can assure you that Fred is a good guy. Seriously. He's not who you think he is. Dad, don't even look at me like that. There is nothing between us. Please.
So, how does that justify what Fayose did to me?
Dad. Please. You should learn to forgive and forget. If not for anything, at least for our sake. Please.
We're talking about forgiveness. For those living. What if I had died as a result of what Fayose did to me? Will we be talking about letting go and forgiving people?
Dad.
Get out! Out of here! Get out of this place! Don't tell me anything about Fayose's family again! Out! You want to remind me of my yesterday? You're so lucky that I'm in my best mood.
Martin, you don't talk to your father like that.
Father, I am a barrister, a son for that matter, and you will do me nothing.
Matisse.
And let me see how you step out of this compound.
Yeah.
Let me see. Fred, come with me. Fred, come with me.
Uncle, come.
How dare you?
Hey, you.
I told you.
Slow down.
I have told you.
Martin.
And where do you think you are going to? Don't allow them out of this compound.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What's that? Father, I have respected you too much and it's getting too much. You and you want to block me, right? You want to block me. Bro, enter the car. Drive out. Drive out, bro. Drive out if they try to stop you. You crush them. Open the gate. Get out. Get out. Get out. Stop! Get out. Drive out.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
Officer Samuel, sir, take with you and other soldiers. Make it look like an attack on terrorists. And make sure you completely bring him down. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Go for it immediately. A lesson, King. You have just entered into a wrong boss. And I will deal with you. I will sieve you just like a wheat.
I don't understand. Hey. What are you doing here? You're not supposed to be here.
See, your father needs to listen to me, okay? I am ready to jail my father, but I need him to cooperate with me so we can achieve that.
My father is not ready to listen to you, trust me. In fact, he has given up on everything. He sees you people as a misery he doesn't want to go through.
If I were you, I would face the gates and start living.
Look, you need to trust us.
Okay.
My brother here is ready to do anything. I mean, he's ready to restore your father's prestige. All I need you to do is trust us.
Continue.
We need your support and trust.
Yes.
If I were you, I would face the way my back is. Just come to that side and stand.
No retreat! No surrender!
Hey, I said this. Hey!
No retreat! No surrender! No retreat! No surrender! No retreat! No surrender!
Alex, speak on Alex, please. Alex, speak on
no retreat! Marshal in! Marshal in! No retreat! No surrender! No retreat!
Ooh, I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the right way. Yeah. Cause nobody is above the law. What you do today will surely come tomorrow. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. You got to be careful.
Sir, Barrister Martins, what are you doing here?
I am coming from the family of the man my father sent you all to go and kill. Now listen to me. If anything happened to that innocent man, or his family, I am going to come for you. You and for you. Now get into the car. Reverse and leave here.
Sure, sir.
Let's go.
No matter your status, you get to be careful. Anything you do today, you got to reap tomorrow. Cause nothing is hidden under the right. So place your ways right. Do the needful. No matter your status, can you just do the right thing? Cause anything you sow today, you live tomorrow to reap it.
I don't know if those balls of potatoes are still there, but I would have preferred this one that you call Irish potato. With
vegetable.
Yes, with vegetable and some pieces of fried eggs.
Hey!
I don't need red oil, I need groundnut oil. But you told me not to be worried.
You love enjoyment too much.
You asked me not to be worried about nothing.
So because I asked you not to be worried about anything, is that why you should be selecting food for me like a pregnant woman?
Well, I'm pregnant anyway.
Martins, right?
Yes, ma'am.
General Alex Ikem, I'm here to inform you that you have been called back to service.
Bonza!
For leaving for tomorrow.
I appreciate it.
Congratulations, sir.
Hey! Eso! Yes! Hey! Onye nwe mmadụ nara ekene me imeworo nwunye ana m ekene nara ekene imeworo nwunye ana m ekene imeworo nwunye nna m imeworo nwunye nara ekene imeworo nwunye nara ekene mo imeworo nwunye Chukwu okike ekene dịrị gị
You have successfully jailed your father for 30 years. And you're proud of yourself, right?
I'm not proud of myself. I'm not proud of what I did as a son to his father. But I'm proud of myself as a barrister who believes in equal rights and justice. Father here have the chance and opportunity to change, but in his usual way, he didn't. He got what he deserved.
You jailed my husband for 30 years and you are my son. I agree. Your father took things too far. But I know you will get him out when everything calms down, right? I know you'll get him out.
Yes, Ikem Felix decided to drop all charges. And we have also decided to drop all charges and revoke every court judgment. But for now, let him remain in jail and have a sober reflection over his actions.
Just get my husband home for me.
Excuse me, Mom.
Martins.
Live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the right way. Cause nobody is above the law. What you do today will surely come tomorrow. Life is a journey. Life is a journey. You get to be careful. You get to be careful. No matter your status, you get to be careful. Anything you do today, you got to reap tomorrow. Cause nothing is hidden under the right. So place your ways right. Do the needful. No matter your status, can you just do the right thing? Cause anything you sow today, you live tomorrow to repeat. Ooh, I got to live my life in the rightful way. I got to live my life just to have peace of mind. Always stands for justice. Oh, no intimidation. Always stand on the